Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video join me as I will be unboxing this wireless rechargeable mouse that I got today. So in this video I'll be making a review about this mouse and at the same time walking you through the mouse setup process because I had used this mouse before and it's a very nice mouse. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. So I got this mouse today. Here is another one because I had used this mouse before. Wireless from the carton, unboxing, open right here. It comes with a Type-C cord. Use the cord. That's inside. Okay, here's the USB that you will plug to your laptop. Nothing else inside. Just this. So this is how the mouse looks. So I said I had used this mouse before, so I know much about this mouse. You can see dual mode mouse, voltage 3.7V, current 15 mA. So now this is how the mouse looks. You can see this is actually a completely wireless, and this mouse doesn't use battery. You can only recharge it with light. You can see. So with this charger here, just stick here and plug to your charger head and then plug it right here with Type-C and charge it. So you can always charge it because it doesn't use battery, use internal battery like maybe watch battery. So on this battery, from what I had used before in my previous mouse, this battery here can last you for up to 6 months and sometimes more than, depending on the usage. Understand? So, and one good thing about this mouse is that this mouse has zero noise. You can see the click, unlike some other mouses whereby this click can make a lot of noise. And this mouse, this right click and left click, they are very good because they can really drag your files very well. They can hold your files firmly, unlike some mouse. Look at, very flat. It can easily fit into your hand. Okay, now here are the key features about this mouse. You can see this mouse, you can see that this mouse, you can use Bluetooth with this mouse, and also it comes wireless. Now you can see that. Okay, how do you use this mouse? I will show you guys how to use it now. Okay, you can see now if you want to use this USB cord to use with the mouse, so you have to use this USB cord and plug on your laptop and then come here on the mouse right here and shift this. You can see this, shift it here, then plug this one on your laptop, so the mouse will be connected automatically. You can see, right? So if you bring this at the center, means you have off the mouse. If you bring it this way, means you have on it. But with USB plug on your laptop, you can start using it now. But if you want to use the mouse with Bluetooth without this thing here, you can still use this mouse but with Bluetooth. So we just use that, just shift this stick here to Bluetooth. You can see here, right here, Bluetooth. You can see it, right? Once you shift this here, just go into your laptop and on your laptop Bluetooth, and it will get connected. You will see your mouse on your laptop and you will start using your mouse. Don't worry, I will show you all this practically. You can see, right? So from my honest review about this mouse, because I had used this mouse before, this mouse is very good, because if you buy it, you won't have to be wasting money buying battery all the time. Because from other mouses I had used, I would keep buying battery and sometimes I may forget battery inside and the battery would get damaged and destroy the whole internal system. But with this mouse, seriously, it's very nice, very soft. So right now I will take you into my system so that I will show you how you can use the mouse. Let's go to my system. So guys, right now I'll be showing you guys the two ways you can connect this mouse to your laptop. I said we have the Bluetooth way or the USB way. I can see if you want to connect the mouse to your laptop and use with your USB, if you just buy it here at what come with a mic, just bring the USB right here, you can see it right, and go to your laptop USB port anywhere. You can find it at the back anywhere. Then press it inside. You can see as I press it, it does a sound ping ping ping, means that a USB has been connected. So now come to your mouse. You can see right now it's off. Okay, right now it's on Bluetooth. Here at the center means off. So you now shift this to the other end, to the extreme end. They'll just shift. You can see right. They'll shift it this way. You can see right now it's on. You can see it right. This is how it looks once it's on. I can now bring it and start using it. I can right click. The mouse is very nice because it makes zero sound. You can see it right. You can see. Now to off it, I just come here and drag it to the middle. It's off. Now if I want to use the mouse with Bluetooth, I'll come right here and remove the USB. You can see I've removed the USB, and I want to remove, or I want to use with the Bluetooth. Right now if I do it, it won't, because I haven't yet connected. Now to use or to connect the mouse with Bluetooth, so I'll come here first of all and then drag it to the Bluetooth side. You can see I'll drag it here down to Bluetooth, then come on my laptop, or go to your laptop and then come on the search right here, tap on it and type Bluetooth. You will see at the top here Bluetooth and other devices. Tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see right here on your Bluetooth here, add Bluetooth device. Tap on it and you can see right here this first option here, mice, keyboards and the rest. Tap here. If you tap here, you can see the mouse has been found because you have turned the mouse on. You can see it right. So the laptop has found the mouse. So just tap here to pair and connect the mouse. It's connecting. You can see your device is ready to be used. You can see that right now it has been connected. You can see. So I can just come here and start using it. You can see it's working. I can close right here. So it's wireless. You can see this mouse is very, very nice. Like from my honest review, because I had used this mouse before, for me this is the best mouse I have ever used or been using in my life. This mouse doesn't use battery, it uses internal battery, and it can only be recharged or charged. You can see. So, and the battery can last you for up to 6 months or more than, in fact for up to 1 year, because my last mouse, until it got missing, the battery lasted for almost 1 year without giving me any issue until the mouse got missing. I lost it. You can see I can start using it wireless with Bluetooth. You can see here. So guys, thanks for watching and bye.